Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and the Microsoft Fabric series. So today we are going to discuss about how to create workspace in Microsoft Fabric. So workspaces are nothing but workspaces are places to collaborate with colleagues to create a collection of items such as lake houses, warehouses, and reports. We are going to see now how to create workspace in Microsoft Fabric. So work with workspaces. Here are some of useful tips about working with workspaces. Once we created the workspace, we can pin the workspaces to the top of the workspace, your list, quick access, and favorite workspaces. What if consider like we have 100 workspaces, we can pin workspaces whatever required one favorite in favorites pin. We can see the in a pin dashboard that we will see it once created, then we will pin the dashboard. I will show you that. So use granular workspace roles for flexible management workspaces. Admin, member, contributor, and viewer read are more about the workspace roles. We will check it in next session. Workspace roles, what are the roles we have, clearly we will check it in next session. Okay, so navigate to current workspace from anywhere, selecting icon uh, left pane in the portal. We will see that. So workspace settings, workspace admin, you can update your manage workspace configurations in under workspace settings. Okay. So manage workspace in JIT. So JIT integration in Microsoft Fabric enables pro developers to integrate their development processes, tools, and best practices straight into the Fabric platform. It's the same for Git control. Whoever developer will work same process. They will create a future branch and they will work on the future branch. Once tested everything, then they will push the changes to main branch. So once created the pull request, reviewer will approve the pull request. Once approved, then they will merge the changes to main branch. Okay. So contact list is nothing but specify who receives the notification about workspace activity. Okay. So now let's go ahead and create workspace. Here click on workspaces. So new workspace. Give demo training. So basically, suppose if it is domains, different domains, we can mention the description in which domain it is, like financial, whatever banking domain related to domain. We can mention the description here, and here we can assign the domain, which domain it is. Okay. For now, we can ignore this domain. We will see it next and apply. So if it is any workspace image, we can upload it here. Okay. In advance, we can add the contact list, right? Whoever get the mails approved, roles, here we can add the row users here in the contact list. See, so list of contact support assistants, right? Now we are under free trial, that's fine. And a small semantic model storage format, this is also fine. And apply. Okay, we have created our demo training workspace, right? Now we can pin this. So workspace settings, go to the workspace settings. Here git, as we saw in a previous slide, here we can configure the git repository to the workspace. Okay, and if it is any Azure connections, we can add here. Here if you will see pin demonstration pin, it will go for pinned workspaces. Consider we need to search we have multiple workspaces, we need to search manually and click on those things, right? If we will favorite the pin workspaces, we can simply come here and we will click the workspace. Okay, so that is the view option we have to add the pin workspaces here. In next session, this is about how to create a workspace in Microsoft Fabric. In next session, we will check the user roles in workspaces and how to give the access to the users. Okay, and we will see it in next session. If you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.